Fashion is about to get really exciting. The world of style is evolving, and it's more personal than ever before. Imagine clothes designed just for you, tailored to your exact preferences and measurements. Your measurements, your style, your unique flair. Every detail crafted to reflect who you are. This isn't a fantasy. This is the future of fashion, and it's happening right now. It's here, and it's called personalized fashion. A revolution in how we think about clothing. We're entering a new era where self-expression reigns supreme. Your wardrobe, your rules. No more settling for clothes that almost fit or don't quite match your vibe. Say goodbye to compromise. Now, you can have pieces that reflect your individuality. Every stitch, every seam, just for you. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Embrace your true self. This is more than just a trend. It's a movement, a shift in the fashion paradigm, a shift from mass-produced to made-to-order, from generic to unique. It's about quality over quantity, investing in pieces that last and mean something. It's about owning pieces that truly represent you, your fashion, your identity. So buckle up, darling. We're about to dive into the world of custom fashion, a world where you are the designer. Get ready to discover a world of endless possibilities. The future of fashion is here, and it's all about you. The fashion industry is undergoing a revolution, a transformation that is reshaping how we think about clothing. For too long, we've been told what to wear, dictated by trends and mass production. Mass-produced clothing has dominated the market, leaving little room for individuality. But things are changing, and a new era is dawning. Personalized fashion is putting the power back in the hands of the consumer, allowing for a more intimate and unique experience. It's about creating garments that are tailored to your unique body and style, reflecting your personal taste and preferences. No more squeezing into standard sizes or compromising on your vision. The fit is perfect, and the design is yours. This shift is driven by a desire for authenticity, a longing to be true to oneself. People are tired of blending in, of being just another face in the crowd. They want to stand out, to make a statement with their clothing. Custom fashion allows you to express yourself in ways that were never before possible. This is a game changer, a revolution in self-expression. It's about time fashion celebrated the beauty of individuality, the uniqueness of each person. Get ready to embrace a world where your style knows no bounds, where your fashion choices are as limitless as your imagination. What's fueling this fashion revolution? Technology. Innovations like three-dimensional printing and AI-driven design are making custom fashion more accessible than ever before. Imagine getting a perfect fit without ever stepping foot in a tailor's shop. Three-dimensional body scanning technology can create a virtual avatar of your body, ensuring a flawless fit every time. AI algorithms are also shaking things up. They can analyze your style preferences and generate personalized designs. Think of it as having a personal stylist at your fingertips. These advancements are breaking down barriers. Custom fashion is no longer reserved for the elite. It's becoming increasingly affordable and accessible to everyone. This is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for personalized fashion are limitless. Clothes are more than just fabric. They are the canvas upon which we paint our identities. They're a powerful form of self-expression, a way to showcase our inner selves to the outside world. They tell the world who you are without you having to say a word. Every piece you wear speaks volumes about your personality. Custom fashion takes this to a whole new level, offering a unique opportunity to create something truly personal. Imagine designing a dress that reflects your personality, your dreams, and your aspirations. Or a suit that makes you feel like $1,000,000, tailored to fit you perfectly. Custom fashion allows you to infuse your individuality into every piece you wear, making each item uniquely yours. It's about embracing your quirks and celebrating what makes you unique, standing out in a crowd. Whether you prefer bold prints or minimalist designs, there's something for everyone. Custom fashion lets you create a wardrobe that truly reflects your inner self, your tastes, and your lifestyle. This is about owning your narrative, telling your story through what you wear. It's about using fashion as a tool to communicate your values, beliefs, and passions to the world. So go ahead, darling, and let your style do the talking. Embrace it, own it, and let it shine. Section 5. Sustainable Style. Custom clothes, less waste. Fast fashion is a major contributor to global waste, but there's good news. Custom fashion offers a more sustainable approach to style. When you buy custom-made clothing, you're only producing what you need. No more mass-produced garments ending up in landfills. It's a win-win for your wardrobe and the planet. Custom clothing is also often made with higher quality materials and construction. This means your garments will last longer, reducing the need for constant replacements. By choosing custom fashion, you're making a conscious decision to consume less and reduce your environmental impact. It's about looking good and feeling good about your choices. Section 6. The future of fashion. You are the designer. The future of fashion is exciting. Imagine a world where everyone has access to personalized style, where technology empowers us to become our own designers. Imagine virtual fitting rooms where you can try on countless outfits without leaving your home, or smart fabrics that adapt to your body temperature and activity level. This is not a far-fetched dream. It's the direction the fashion industry is heading. And it's a future where creativity and individuality are celebrated. The possibilities are endless. Get ready to embrace a world where fashion is truly personalized and tailored to your unique needs and desires. Section 7. Join the movement. Embrace your personal style. So, darling, are you ready to ditch the mass-produced and embrace the world of custom fashion? It's time to unleash your inner stylist and create a wardrobe that reflects your one-of-a-kind personality. Don't be afraid to experiment. Play with colors, patterns, and silhouettes. Embrace your body shape and find styles that make you feel confident and empowered. There are countless resources available to help you get started. From online platforms to local designers, the options are endless. Do your research, find what resonates with you, and let your creativity run wild. Remember, fashion is about having fun. It's about expressing yourself and embracing your individuality. So go ahead and make a statement. Section 8. The rise of the fashion entrepreneur. Personalized fashion isn't just empowering consumers. It's also creating new opportunities for aspiring fashion entrepreneurs. With the rise of online marketplaces and social media, it's easier than ever to launch a custom clothing brand. Independent designers are finding their niche and connecting directly with customers. This new wave of fashion entrepreneurs is all about craftsmanship, quality, and personalized service. They're building relationships with their clients and creating garments that are made with love and attention to detail. This is an exciting time to be a part of the fashion industry. The barriers to entry are lower than ever before, and the possibilities for creativity and innovation are endless. Section 9. Beyond the hype, the real impact of custom fashion. Personalized fashion is more than just a passing trend. It's a fundamental shift in the way we think about clothing and self-expression. It's about creating a more sustainable, ethical, and inclusive fashion industry. By supporting custom clothing brands, we're investing in a future where fashion is no longer dictated by mass production and fleeting trends. We're creating a world where individuality is celebrated, and everyone has the power to express themselves authentically. This is about making conscious choices that align with our values. It's about supporting businesses that prioritize quality, craftsmanship, and sustainability. It's about creating a fashion industry that reflects the diversity and creativity of the world we live in. Section 10. Fashion freedom. The power is in your hands. The future of fashion is in your hands. By embracing personalized fashion, we can create a more sustainable, expressive, and empowering industry for everyone. Imagine a world where everyone feels confident and comfortable in their own skin, where clothing is no longer a source of insecurity, but a tool for self-expression and empowerment. This is the power of personalized fashion. It's about breaking free from the constraints of mass production and embracing the beauty of individuality. It's about creating a world where everyone feels seen, heard, and celebrated for who they truly are. So go ahead, darling, and unleash your inner fashion icon. The world is your runway.